Hello everyone. I'm Samata Kamble from Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering for Women, Pune. I'm currently pursuing in BE Computer. Uh, Today I'm discussing with you the DMW mini project. My project name is Driver Drowsiness Detection using OpenCV Python DLib. Okay. Drowsiness detection is a safety technology that can prevent accidents that are caused by drivers who fell asleep while driving. So, let's move towards our project. In my code, there is a OpenCV, DLib, uh, and what is OpenCV? OpenCV is a huge open source library for computer vision, machine learning, and image processing. OpenCV supports a wide variety of programming languages like Python, C++, Java, etc. Then afterwards, what is DLib? DLib is an open source C++ library implementing a variety of machine learning algorithms including classification, regression, clustering, data transformation, and structure prediction. It's a landmark spatial detector with pre-trained models. The DLib is used to estimate the location of 68 coordinates x, y that map the facial points on a person's face like image below. Okay, so image is that shape predictor 68 face landmarks. This is the 68 face landmark image. Next is the what is the use of immutables in Python. Okay, so immutables are a series of convenience functions to make basic image processing functions such as translation, rotation, resizing, skeletonization, and display matplotlib images easier with OpenCV and both Python 2.7 and Python 3. Then in my program there is a one formula I have used, that is the Euclidean distance between 2 points. This formula I have used. The formula is under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, we firstly I'll show you the demo of my project. Okay, so I'm running my program. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, yeah, so guys, can you see me? 1 second. Yes, so this is my driver drowsiness. This frame is for 68 facial landmark detector. This will detect my eyes, eyebrow, nose, lips, and jaw lines. These all are the 68 points. Okay, so when my eyes are completely open, then it will show the status active. Okay, then it will slightly close, then drowsy, and completely when it completely close, then it will showing me sleeping. Okay, this is my project. So let's move towards what is the program behind this. Okay, let's see. So as I earlier said, importing OpenCV library for basic image processing functions. So OpenCV is a basic frame processing, and NumPy is a NumPy for array related functions, DLib for deep learning based modules, and face landmark detection. Okay, face utils for basic operations of conversion, as earlier as I discussed. So cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture. This is for initializing the camera and taking the instance. So initializing the face detector and landmark detector. This is the I take a variable detector, and get frontal face detector is a method for this detector, and predictor shape predictor 68 face landmark dat. This is a file, and this will predict 68 face landmarks. So I will take it a sleepy, drowsy, active. This is variables, and this is take it as a 0 initially, status and color also. So define compute point A and point B. So compute is the function for Euclidean distance formula. It is using this formula, this compute function. So np dot line leg dot norm pta point A minus point B. Okay, this will point A and point B, this will compute, means Euclidean distance find out between these 2 points, and this will store in dist variable and return dist variable. Definition of blink A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the 6 variables for our eye. For our eye, in 68 face landmarks, there is a 6 points for one eye, so it will take 6 variables for that. And up is for short distance for between the eye, for compute BD plus compute CE. Down for long distance, and it will AF. And this will up is divided by 2.0 into down. It will take a ratio, and checking if it is a blink. So the 0.25 is the determinant ratio for open eye, and it will check if ratio is greater than 0.25, then return 2, else if ratio is greater than 0.21 and ratio is smaller than equal to 0.25, so return 1, else return 0. Then means it will open eye, this slightly close eye, and this is a completely closed eye for this condition. And let's move towards next, while true. This is the while loop, and for this is cap frame is equal to cap dot read and gray cv2 dot cvt color frame. This is for frame, this will for frame. And faces is equal to detector gray, detected face in faces array. Okay, for face in faces, this will x1 y1 x2 and y2. This will take it for our rectangle. I will show you this function is around my face. This will show rectangle for this function. Okay, so next is frame, face frame dot. This is for another frame I have taken, so that I will copy the so I was copying the frame. Landmark is equal to predictor, then it will predict the landmarks, and then I will take it in facial utils dot shape to np. This is a function for numpy and it will detect a landmark in our face. The numbers are actually the landmarks which will show eye. So this is for numbers which will show our eyes in landmarks. Left blink means our left eye, and this is number is 36, 37, 38, 41, 40, 39. This is for a left eye, and this is a 6 points. Right blink for this is a right eye, and this is another 6 points. Now judge what to do for the eye blinks. If left blink equal to 0 or right blink is equal to 0, sleep plus is equal to 1, drowsy is equal to 0, active is equal to 0. If sleep is greater than 6, it will indicate when I am blinking my eyes, it will not directly generating the status sleepy, but it will when I am continuously close my eye for 8 frames, then it will generate or show the status for sleeping. Or else if left blink equal to 1 or right blink equal to 1, sleep equal to 0, active is equal to 0, drowsy plus is equal to 1. If drowsy is greater than 6, this is for drowsy when I slightly close my eyes, so it will show us status drowsy. And then drowsy equal to 0, sleepy is equal to 0, active plus is equal to 1. When my eyes are completely closed, then it will show us a status active. So this is for color showing as a status. So CV to put text, this is a text status for showing in our output. And this is for loop for 68 landmarks. Okay, so this is the last CV2 I am show frame. This is for creating a frame, and key equal to CV2 dot wait key when 1, and if key equal to 27, this 27 is the ASCII value for escape. And when I am press the escape button, then it will break my loop, while loop. Okay, so this is my DMW mini project. So thank you for watching.